Howdy folks. Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful day on the bay, and this is our GoPro Max water test, or jet ski test I should say. So it's actually, it looks beautiful, but it's actually about 15 knots right now, but we're just a little bit sheltered in this area, so we'll probably stay around here. But this will give you a really good idea of the quality of the image on water. And we'll be cycling through all the different views as well, and yeah, try to give you a bit of an idea of what this thing can capture. Let's begin. Okay, from the get-go, I've started out by putting the Hero Max just with the special protective caps on. So I'm very curious to see if these protective caps cause a lot of glare in the water. So I'll leave these on for a few minutes and we'll see how we go. Okay, so that's a little bit of an idea of the GoPro Max in 360 mode, with the lens covers on, and so I don't know how that will look. We'll have a look once we get back. But now I'm going to take the lens covers off, and that's the protective covers, and we'll just see what kind of difference that makes with our recording. Okay, this is now lens covers off. now that we're in slightly calmer waters, I'm going to switch over to Hero mode and we'll have a look at how the Hero mode looks on the jet ski, the stabilization, and a lot of people have been talking about the 1/440 resolution, and not too sure if that's going to make things look well. So we'll switch over, and for this I'm going to remove the 360 camera and I'll put it on my life jacket. Well guys, now we're back in 360 mode and I'm a touch bit excited because I just found out the car I ordered is in. But anyway, we're back in 360 mode now, and yeah, so that gave me a bit of an idea. What we might do, we'll head out of the harbour in 360 mode, and I'll also, maybe when we get a little bit past halfway, I'll switch it to hyperlapse view as well, just so you can get a bit of idea how that looks on the water. And it's moderately calm in the bay here, so but once we get out, you'll get to see how the hyperlapse is in 360 mode, roughness as well, because the tide is going out now, as you can see. All right, let's do this. Okay, we're going to finish off this video just by remaining in 360 mode at 30 frames per second in any without any stabilization that the GoPro has to offer. Here we go. There you have it, guys. I hope you've liked the review of the GoPro Max on a jet ski, and yeah, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and press on like, because yeah, it really does help the channel keep going. Great, thank you. Have a good one.